Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports, and here we have one of our completed two-door XJs. This XJ is not up for sale. We just completed about 4 months of work for a client of ours that it's getting ready to get picked up and shipped out of state to him. Complete brand new engine, top to bottom, all brand new cooling system, complete brake system, all new suspension, new steering, wheels, tires, complete paint job, top to bottom. As you'll see, it's got our Kevlar package as well. A lot of other smaller details. Complete drive line has been completely gone through, but those are the major ticket items, if you will. A lot of other smaller details done, obviously, but client was looking for a nice daily driver to get him through the winter months where he lives. Most of the XJs that leave Davis Autosports don't really go up on the market for sale. We do custom build them per spec of each client and customer based on their budget, the use of the truck, many variables, but super clean. Two-door XJ. It is a 5-speed. Came out absolutely beautiful. Do have our full Kevlar package all the way. Beautiful, smooth as glass paint. We really spent a lot of time on our paint here. Very thorough with the body work. It's a beautiful finish on our paint. We're constantly trying to improve here at Davis Autosports in every aspect of quality and fit and finish, and builds take a little bit longer but come out much nicer. Every square inch of this entire XJ has been repainted. You can see the new AC condenser. That's another thing. It's got a completely new AC system and heat system. So a condenser, evaporator, orifice tube, compressor, receiver dryer. Not to mention, of course, complete steering has all been upgraded as well. Customer got sort of maxed out on his budget on the XJ. The brakes were iffy, so we went ahead and threw in a whole brand new set of brakes for him. Rotors, pads, calipers, at no additional cost to the client. We weren't going to have the Jeep leave here, and he did some other things over the course of the build that he wasn't planning on, so he did reach his budget, so we threw that in there for him as well. Got a full stainless steel upgraded exhaust system, high flow catalytic converter, stainless steel, full exhaust system throughout. Like I said, he does live in the northern states, so stainless steel is very important up there. Inside's rather basic. We didn't do a whole lot. We did for him. This is his first time finding out. He didn't want to go with the leather. It wasn't in the budget, but we did rebuild the bolsters for him. They're nice and tight. Obviously, manual transmission. We also threw in some WeatherTech floor liners for him. Redid all the brackets on the seats, so we sandblast them down, and that's every single bracket, not just the ones that show. Put all new grade 8 hardware throughout all the brackets. Brand new headliner, brand new sun visors. So interior is just super nice and clean. Upgraded speakers as well, full size spare. So just nice, clean and simple. New door brackets. That's something that wasn't on the build sheet, but those are a lot of the little items that we do here without calling the client to let them know, hey, you got this, you got that. It's just sort of things that we do here just to make our product that much better. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed the quick view of the two-door XJ by DAS. If you guys have any questions about building your XJ or any of our future builds, please give us a call, 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-XJ Jeeps. Thank you.